Hello everyone, my name is Dave.
And I'm Sarah.
And today we're going to introduce our STEK car care lineup, the ultimate maintain solution for your vehicle and also your paint protection film as well.
All our formula products are made with non-harsh chemicals, so it won't damage either your car's coatings or the PPF.
First, I would like to introduce our STEK Pre-Wash. This is the product for pre-car wash stage. It's brewing all of the chemical contamination, dust, or even mud on your car surface. It helps to make your car wash experience much more easier. Now we are applying the STEK Pre-Wash with the foam cannon. Once you apply it on the car surface, let it just stay on the car surface 3 to 5 minutes and rinse it off.
Our next product is our shampoo. It provides excellent lubrication, reducing friction and minimizes the risk of scratches. Its pH-neutral formula makes it safe for both paint and PPF surfaces. Dilute the shampoo in a bucket and use a wash mitt to clean the surface. Rinse thoroughly after washing. The next step in our car wash is foam bath or foam. Now there is two types of foam which we can use. This one has a more gentle formula, which means that it won't damage either your PPF or other coatings. On the other hand, this is a more all-around solution for tires and also for the car body. Start by rinsing off loose dirt with a pressure washer. Then spray STEK foam evenly over the vehicle's surface. Adjust the dilution ratio according to the contamination level. Let the foam sit on a few minutes, then rinse it off, revealing the clean surface ready for the next step. So our next product is our iron. This is for removing iron contaminants from the surfaces. Now we are going to apply our iron to a wheel surface. Purple foam indicates that it is removing the contamination all around. The next product is our wheel. This will remove any type of contamination and browning from the wheel surfaces. After our wheel being applied to the tires, you can see that the contamination being removed immediately. The next products are bug and tar. Now in this car care line we have two different types of product. One that is a combination of bug and tar, and the other one is actually two products. Now the difference between these two lines is that the first one, the product that has both of them, is mainly for surfaces applied with coatings or applied with PPF because it is a more gentle solution. However, due to the gentleness of it, it takes some more time to have effect on the surface. On the other hand, we have bug and tar separately in this package. These chemicals are a bit more harsher, thus we do not really recommend it for coated or PPF applied surfaces. This time, we are applying our bug and tar products. Our next product is our glass. So this product is actually really good for contamination removing from glass surfaces, and it also contains a type of coating. This will be also a great additional coating for windshield film surfaces, just like DYNOtop. As you can see, our glass is removing all contamination from the glass surfaces. It leaves a really clear surface. Our next product is our OG, which stands for oil and grease remover. This is a great solution to removing oil or grease type of contamination from the surfaces previous to application of coatings or PPFs. Now we are applying our OG. Our next product is our dress. This is a great product for bringing back the original color of tires and plastic surfaces. With our dress, we are going to apply it to the tires trims. Our interior is great cleansing and also an extra coating for the interior surfaces. Now we are applying our interior. Our next product is our APC, which is our great general all-purpose cleaner for all surfaces. Now we are applying our APC, our all-purpose cleaner. Now you can see the result of the product. Here is the final result. Different from our other products, we have our waterless wash, which is a great eco-friendly solution when washing car. This doesn't require any type of water use, thus it's going to be much quicker and much easier to wash your car. It also contains the additional coating solution as well. Now we are applying the waterless wash. You can see how effective our waterless wash is in action. Our next product is our Shine. This is a great quick detailer to finish the car wash and make the ending result even better. Now we are applying Shine, our quick detailing.
The next product is DYNOfinish. We consider this product as last step protection solution. We normally recommend this product after car wash or after PPF installation. It applies durable coating atop the surface, and this coating goes at least 6 months.
Let's finish up the processes with our DYNOfinish. Our next additional product is our primer. Our primer guarantees a secure and durable edge finish, eliminating concerns about peeling or lifting.
The product I would like to introduce is our installation solution for PPF, slip tack, and installation gel. The difference between installation gel and slip tack is installation gel has a strong tack, so when you install the PPF on the curvy part or the vertical parts, the gels remain on the surface more well, so it helps you to install the PPF much more easier. And I'll show you what is the difference with each other. If you spray the slip tack, you can see there's no attach on it, so it's just water. Slip tack goes down like this. But if you spray the installation gel, you can see gel remain the surface of the car more well. So during the PPF installation, it guarantees you more time to just handle control your film, and you can install the film more easier than the slip tack.
Thank you for being part of this STEK Formula training. See you next time.